Okay, this is the model. Anyways, it lives again. My Frankenstein has come alive. So now I'll button it up, put it away, and never probably monkey with it again. I still will fiddle a little bit with the flyback. At least I'm a 99.9% it is the flyback. I don't know about deflection issues. I have it hooked up to this thing. I am going to stick this in it because I am exceeding my 2.2 microfarad is a 450 volt rating, so I'm going to stick this thing in it back in it. It's a 1 microfarad 650 volt rating, so I'm in my safety zone. Not that it matters, I don't know, I'll make those decisions later. My negative control grid voltage is just a couple volts shy of what it's supposed to be. This stuff, I don't know if I need to reference that or not. There's my frequency. It's amazing that I had the vertical and horizontal stabilized. I didn't have to, when I turned my generator on, I did not have to adjust nothing. That was amazing. How could that be right on? But when I had the vertical line, I just adjusted it till I seen the blinking quit. Now here's, uh-oh. You know, so this is vertical. My damn. My deflection calls are sideways. That's insane. Gotta get it to roll. That's insane because I swore when I originally took this apart, all those connections were up. But then how could I get that vertical line? I want to adjust my horizontal hold here, but it's so close to this high voltage bit, the flyback transformer. It's so close to that I don't want to get bit. Can I fit my fingers in there without getting bit? I don't like that. Of course, horizontal oscillator is the bottom one. Come on. Okay, here's horizontal. Interesting. I want to get a different display here. I don't think I like that one. I think I'll go with that one. I don't have that round one for adjusting the vertical linearity. But here's my horizontal tearing. I don't have my tuner stuff on to tune it in, so what I get is what I get. Brightness, it's got to be all the way up, so it must be, I have no way to check high voltage. But I just assume, I assume it's good. I guess that's all I can do, but it's interesting how the vertical hold. Uh-oh. Might have a downfall here. Maybe I just destroyed it. You know what the hell.